coming in strong with these joints, okay? Back to back.
This is for you, my number one.
This chair was getting that work, you hear me? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Julia Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also sipping Slay, and your girl got her tea on deck today because my throat is still giving me trouble. I swear, since I've had the Rona, like this joint, I have been sick dang near every month. I can't get over the cough, but I'ma still look cute, okay? Now before we get into this moisturized install, yeah, because this hair looking this is looking like me. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Give me a thumbs up right now because this looks good. But anyway, let's go. Okay, so before I get started, let me get a little drinky drink. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Julia Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is going to be a glueless install. It comes with that Kinky Edges, natural edges hairline, and I don't need to glue nothing down with that because I can hide my lace with them edges. So that's what I'm going to do today. It's looking pretty good, I think. We're gonna put it on though and see because, you know, it be playing tricks on me on my hands. So we're gonna see what she's sitting with. But first, let me cut off the lace in the back. Okay, snip, snip, snip. My wig did come with an elastic band already attached. I know some of y'all don't be getting your elastic bands. So Julia, make sure you send the elastic bands, okay? Mine came attached. The wig bays should get theirs attached as well. I ain't trying to get no special treatment. Don't be trying to cuss me out in the comments, okay? Get the elastic band. If you don't get one, make sure you hit them up to give you one. The hair's still a little damp. Hold up. All right, so the elastic band, I'm going to tighten it down just a little bit. No wig grip just yet, but I will wear it if I need to. Turn on the dome and flip it back. Let's see what this hairline is sitting with, Julia. Okay, not bad. Not bad. I think I can work with this without tweezing. I'm gonna leave it for now. Surprise. Are there layers in this wig? There's a little layers in this joint. My track is here. Okay, this is where the frontal is. I'm pretty sure this is a 13x4. So let me go ahead and just lay this hair back over that track. Let me turn to the back while the hair is wet. If you can't see my tracks, we shouldn't see your tracks either. I'm not feeling nothing, so I think we good. Ooh, my stomach is growling. Ooh, sheesh. The disrespect. Before I do my curls, let me clip it up in my little claw clip. And I want to cut this lace off. Do I want to tint it? I mean, I might as well. Uh-oh. Now wait a minute. Don't, come on. This is a good wig cap. Don't do this. What is it even on? Oh. Child. So the lace is tinted just a little bit, so I'm gonna use my lighter powder today. I'm gonna use the Mocha 330 powder. This is in the color Toffee. Normally I use my 360 powder, which is the mocha color. This one already has like a little tint, so I don't wanna darken it up because that'll just give me a shadow when I go outside, and I'm trying to be outside this weekend. I need my hairline to hairline, okay? I can't be giving wiggy. I'm probably like, she is crazy. I know. Still feel like that's a little dark, but we're gonna work it out. My stomach is really having a time down there. Sheesh. Let me enjoy my intermittent fasting, please. Thank you. It's a good fit on my head, so if you have a big head like me, 23 inches, gang gang, this cap fits pretty nice. Like the shape of the cap conforms to your head. I love that. That is one thing that I do consider for, you know, these type of brands. You know what I consider to be the fast fashion hair brands. The caps usually fit around your head really nicely because they're pretty much one size fits most. No disrespect to the brands. I just consider those type of brands to be brands that don't really give you any extras. So you don't really get heavy plucking, bleaching of the knots, or different types of lace. You mainly just get the curl pattern and any type of trending, you know, hair fad that's going on at the moment. Right now, kinky edges or curly edges is the thing. So that is what we are getting on this wig. I don't know why I took my glasses off because I know I couldn't even see doing that, child. What a fool believes. All right, so let me go ahead and cut this lace off the front. Take the razor, work it across the front like so. Let me cut this back because that's too much lace right there. too much lace. There we go. Don't be scared to cut your lace. Just, you know, take your time. Once you get, you know, comfortable cutting it, you don't have to worry about cutting too much off or things like that. I mean, if you do cut too much off, you can just push your hairline back a little bit to give you the look that you need. So it's fitting down pretty much right at the top of my ear. It's not coming all the way down to my sides, but I'm pretty sure how I can do my hairline, I can finagle that to look really natural anyway. Okay, so next up, mousse. Gonna use my Nairobi mousse around my hairline. Feel like I haven't done this in a while. I'm gonna do a lot because I want these joints to be slicked down, baby. The mousse allows me to work with my hairline and kind of mold it to how I want it to look. Maybe that was too much. Swirl it, swirl it. Hopefully I don't have to pluck anything, so I just wanna use what I got. Bring those sides down like that. They sent me a band. I got a lot of these joints. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, because not everybody sends me bands. So thank you, Julia, for another one. Ooh, that's on my knee. Tight, 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 tight. Okay, so for the hair, I'm gonna hurry up and define my curls. It should be fairly easy because the hair didn't tangle or shed a lot when I did my co-wash. And this texture is considered their kinky curly. This is definitely more of like a 3C, 4A. Okay, it's not getting to the realm of 4C. I should be able to do this in one swoop, 2 sections. So let me get, how I'm gonna do it with the top on. Put the mousse all over the hair like that. I still don't like this nozzle. Get it on my ends. And if you want a stronger, more moisturized, defined look on your curls, I have used the Dark and Lovely Curl Glaze on my curly wigs before. I haven't used it in a while, but it is on my channel, so if you want to check it out, I will link it up in the cards above. This Nairobi mousse is good for defining the curls and giving that fluffy, bushy type of look, the way I fluff my hair. I mean, I don't mind the defined look. I like my hair to look lived in with some definition around my face. So if you don't like that, definitely get the Curl Glaze, or you can still use this one. Okay, you can still use this one. You can spray it down with some oil sheen or silk spray. I'm gonna do that in today's video so you guys can see what I'm talking about, to give you that shine if you don't want to put a whole bunch of heavy product in your hair, because the Curl Glaze can get heavy depending on how much product you use. Clip my ends. Let me straighten that out. I need some more products. Y'all, they got frizzy. I need you to be clumped. Okay, there we go, there we go. Do the finger coils. Shake it, shake it, shake it, now shake it. I just be in my own little world singing a song. Your girl is excited about the weekend. Don't mind me. If y'all did not know, I have 3 children, a set of 5-year-old twins and a 13-year-old, and we just love doing stuff with them, like taking them out, making memories with them. We just love that kind of stuff. We are taking them out this weekend for the long weekend, and I'm really excited. Okay, scrunch and scrunch. Now I'm pretty sure they sent me the 180% density because they know I like my 180% density curly wigs, and it combs through really easy. So you shouldn't have a bunch of tangles when you're doing the co-wash or the defining process. If you have not seen how I wash my wigs, I just posted that video. So just go back to the previous video, whatever video is before this one. That's the one that I posted my wash routine in. And I don't clump every single curl. I just kind of spot check. Without clumping, they look kind of like this. I want it to look a little bit more defined. That's why when I fluff my hair out, you'll see certain areas are clumped together. Some curls are more defined than others. All right, so let me go ahead and do my makeup real quick, and then we'll come back and diffuse the hair and style it up. Okay, be right back. So we are back with the hair pretty much dried down. I haven't fluffed her yet. The back is still a little damp, but let me come closer. Hold up. Y'all see these curls? Yes, ma'am. Let me take off this band. Please look good. Please look good. Woo, woo, woo. I see the potential. She a little strong around there, but we're gonna work it out. Okay, so let me get my little brush here, and I'm gonna clip this hair back. Take my edge brush. I'm just gonna brush some of the hairs back and play with this hairline a little bit. All right, Julia, I see what you're doing. I can work with this. Even though the lace is short on my sides, the edges come down just right. I'm gonna put my glasses back on so I can see over top the lace. Ooh. I'm gonna put a little bit more mousse right here in the front. Just, oh no, not on my makeup, not on my makeup. So I can kind of brush that a little bit. Make sure it's right. Keep on brushing. Excess foundation right here in the front. It's not too ashy, so that's good. Take this down like that. Those curls are cute, but I want to fluff it a little bit more. Fluff at the root, and then I'll go in and blow dry the rest down a little bit. Take my time. I want to try to keep my curls as defined as possible. Okay, scrunch it up. Take my blow dryer on warm and high and blow through the hair, dry the rest down. Now, I don't think I've mentioned this in a recent video, but if for some reason your length is not where you want it to be, if you get a certain length and it's not as long as you want it to be, you can straighten out your curly wigs or lengthen your curls on your curly wigs by using your blow dryer. So just put it on warm and kind of run it up and down the shaft of the hair, and it'll stretch it out a little bit. So keep on scrunching, keep on scrunching. My lace is clockable right there, so I'm gonna use an excess contour from my brush just to blend that in. Look up and blend that in. That's how my sides are looking. And if you don't like the kinky edges look, just brush it back. Okay, brush it back over the wig. Hold on. Like that. Okay, bring it down a little bit. Still looks good. This actually looks very moisturized, but I know as the hair continues to dry down and I start to go into the elements, aka outside, things like that, my hair will look, you know, a little frizzy and bushy and a little dry. If you don't want to use the curl glaze, or if that's too much product for you, go ahead and use your light silk spray, okay? In my Amazon store, just give the hair a little shine like that, spray through that. And it smells good too. If you don't have this spray but you do have oil sheen, go ahead and use that one. Either one will give you that shine. It just gives like a healthy hair look. That looks like a twist out. Listen, yes ma'am, this is looking good. Okay, that silk spray, I already use it on my synthetic wigs, but I've never tried it on my human hair wigs. Listen, what was I doing? Okay, this looks amazing. Y'all see this? It is giving twist out. I love that. The unit is still on my head gluelessly. I don't have my comb around here. Where's my comb? Let me just stuff my my little edge comb up under there. Look, still glueless. My lace is a little janky over there, but I can just brush that hair over that like that. Look at that. I'm trying to keep my hands out of it. I don't know what to do with my hands. Now, I did go in and diffuse my hair a lot longer than I normally would have. This time, I diffused it as much as possible. It was dang near dry before I went in and fluffed it and blow dried it at the end. So that is definitely what helped me keep some of my curls. Y'all notice when I don't dry it all the way down, then I go in and blow dry it more. It gets a little bigger, but it also is a lot frizzier. Most of the clumps are still in here. Most of the curls are still in here. It's not giving frizzy. It just looks really good and healthy, and I love that, y'all. Now, as far as this price point, Julia hair is normally on the more affordable side, like around that $200 price point. However, when I checked the site earlier, it was a little bit higher, and I'm not really used to that with Julia hair. So I don't know if that was a glitch or something else is going on. You may need to go ahead and add this one to the list for Daddy Papa. You coming in strong with these joints, okay? Back to back. Let me pull this all up in the back so y'all can see. I have a whole playlist on my channel of how to do the ponytails. So if I wanted to pin this down to my nape to give me a natural look, I can definitely do that to give that look. Get your bobby pins. The first and second time you do it, you may be a little, I don't know, but third time's a charm, baby, okay? Yes. Now, if I want to do like a little up style, I can definitely do that. I would just pin the hair up like this. That's cute. That's cute. I don't want to mess up my curls. Let me take my time, do a little half up situation like this. Bring it on up, bring it on up. I don't want to mess up the rest of this hair, so let me pin this down. Do it like this. I think I'm going to do 2 times. I don't want to get it too tight. Pull this down in the front, like so. Pull this down in the back. If I put my wig grip on, I can definitely use the combs under the wig grip to give me, you know, more security. Brush that back. Do you see the sides of the hair? All right, see how we looking? I know some of y'all don't like the curly edges. I think my girl Cynthia is one of them. But she comes around sometimes if it's looking right. So yeah, let me know, Cynthia, what you think. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Julia Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.